Today I will introduce you a frequency inverter. This is a type of wide application and high starting torch frequency inverter. This inverter can be powered from 0.75 kilowatt to 630 kilowatt, and the voltage level can be 220 volts and 380 volts, and it can tolerate the 15% minus and plus fluctuation of voltage. It accepts BF control, vector control, and torch control. 16 steps can be set. The motor speed can be linearly adjusted by this frequency inverter, and it supports digital input, analog input, digital input, output, analog output, relay output, etc. And it has high starting torch of 180% at 0.5 Hz, and it has PID functions. For 380 volts models, for example, the input voltage is 380 with 15% tolerance and three-phase input, and output is 0 to 380 volts variable. The frequency is 0 to 500 Hz variable. The motor speed depends on the output frequency inverter. So such as zero speed means the output frequency is 0, and if you set the output max frequency is 50 and the motor max speed will be at 50 Hz. And the speed adjusting range is 1 Porsche 200 for sensorless vector control. And it can be automatic torch boost and manual torch boost. This frequency inverter has a unique function named DC break. The DC break frequency can be set from 0 Hz to the max frequency inverter, to the max frequency, and the breaking time can be 0 seconds to 36 seconds. The breaking current also can be set from 0% to 100%. This inverter can achieve 6 steps of speed. And has has inbuilt BIT function. Because this inverter has automatic voltage regulation, so the input voltage can be fluctuates no more than 15% range, and the output will be consist of 380 volts. The run and stop command can be given by keypad, by terminals, or by RS485 communication. The running frequency source can be given from digital keypad. Also can be given by analog voltage, analog current, impulse RS485. This inverter has abundant input terminals and output terminals. In total have 5 digital inputs. This is very unique in the whole market. And output terminals, it also has high speed pulse output and another digital output and relay output and analog output. Of course, it also has many protections to electrical motors, such as shortcut and phase loss, overcurrent, over voltage, low voltage, overheat, overload, etc. So I have mentioned this inverter has many advantages. This inverter is using unique algorithm to achieve strong load capability at low speed, and also has function of no failure at sudden power supply off. This is the wiring diagram of this inverter. As you can see, it has 5 digital inputs: X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, and also has VCI, CCI analog input. So the output, it has pulse output and digital output and relay output and analog output. The benefits of using frequency inverter BP6 is, first, it can save energy, and it can reduce peak energy demand. The peak energy demand is occurring in such as summertime. So frequency inverter can reduce a lot of consumptions. Frequency inverter has idle function. So in production, if the motor no need running, frequency inverter can make it stop. And to reduce power consumption. By frequency inverter, the motor no need to run all the time, even though it's not working. By frequency inverter, the motor starting, stopping, and acceleration and deceleration can be fully controlled. As you can see from here, there are many benefits of using the frequency inverter. Another point I want to figure out is that with frequency inverter, the motor starting current can be decreased a lot. Without frequency inverter, the motor starting current might reach 6 to 8 times of motor rated current. But with frequency inverter, the starting current is same to the motor related current, so it can longer the motor age. This frequency inverter, called wide application frequency inverter. So here you can see it can be used in many places. For this frequency inverter, it will provide 2 years warranty and technical support for whole life. So it's a very functional and powerful frequency inverter. Welcome you to order if you have interest. You can visit the fuzixing.com to get this product. As you can see here, the website.